Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. Today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here I see rejection from this level. Yes, this is strong level. If market close at this level, I will place put option, even though we are far away. I miss this. I place call option. I know definitely market will reverse at this level. This candle must be weak or green candle. So that's why I place call option. So definitely this candle must be weak candle or green candle. So let's see. We have 27 seconds. Let's see. We have 5 seconds. You see it's weak candle. So that's why I place my trade at this level. I know definitely it will be weak candle at this level. So let's analyze another market. Here pretty long downtrend. It's pretty long downtrend. Let's see. No level here. Okay, we'll create retracement candle at this level. Yes, this is the retracement candle. But market is rejecting. Maybe it will close at this level somewhere here. And so you see strong, maybe a reversal from this level. Yes, if it is morning star, I know market will reverse. This is morning star. If I get rejection, yes, I see rejection from this level. So this candle must be weak. It will not pass this area. Definitely this candle must close above my entry point because of this morning star. You see buys entry because of the rejection from this level, and you see this is a strong level. So we have 17 seconds, and it must be weak candle. see, you see this is weak candle like a doji, so I know definitely market will not pass that level, even though we are in major downtrend. But here is not a nice market, anything can happen at this type of market, so don't trade this type of market because it's going anyhow. Here gap up, let's wait for the next candle. Yeah, it's gap up. It is gap down. This market will reverse if I get higher entry point. Yes, you see, bad entry point, but no problem, it will break this level. Market must break this level now. Nice, I know it must break this level, so let's see. Even though market is doing some panic, it must break this level. We have 10 seconds, you see. Market is breaking the level. This is draw, it's no problem. You see the next candle is breaking the level. This candle is supposed to break the level, but no problem. Let's change another one. Here is consolidation, but it's engulfing. It's engulfing. We are far away. Market is not ready to reverse from this level. Market must consolidate at this level. This, yes, market is going up. I want market to reject from this 50% of this candlestick. Rejection, no rejection, so I will wait. See, market is not rejecting, so because I didn't see rejection, that's why I didn't place my trade. See, yes, I will place call option if I get lower. Yes, I place call option. Very nice entry point. Even though this is engulfing candle, it will not work. Market must close above my entry point because of the consolidation area. That's why I place my trade call option. Let's see. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it must close above my entry point. Let's see. We have 8 seconds. see market is closing above my entry point. It's creating weak candle. So this is the end of this video. I took total 3 trades. All our unit I took total 4 trades, 1 draw. The 3 are winning trades. So let me explain here. I took this trade. You see the market movement just like this anyhow. So here I see rejection from this level, and this is the weak candles, so I know it may create another weak candle. That's why I place my trade call option, and we are in consolidation area between 100 and 200. So market must range, you see, at this area. So that's why I place my trade call option. And the next candle you see here, sorry, the next trade here again, even though we're in major downtrend, you see 200, 100, 20, 50, 20 alignment, but here after prolonged downtrend, bearish momentum, because I see this is the morning star pattern. So I know even though if this morning star pattern will not work, the candle, if you see rejection from this level, this doji level, this spinning top candle, it will create weak candle. That's why I place my trade call option when I see rejection from this week, because this week is strong SNR. That's why when I see rejection, I place my trade call. And you see this is winning trade. And the next trade here, the draw, you see here, because you know sometimes if you see gap down, gap up, it can confuse you. Here is gap down, so I supposed to place my trade immediately at this level, but I place my trade here, expecting that market after this week morning star, you see this is weak morning star, and we are far away from 2 dB, we are in 1 dB. So if you are in this area, don't try to be call in your trade anytime. Try to get opportunity for put, because you are far away. After this bearish bullish momentum, you see strong sellers, so market may reverse. So that's why I place my trade. Put option, but it's draw. So then that's why I take the next trade here. Here you can see after market is doing like this, so this is the consolidation area here. So anytime if you see consolidation area, even though if you see pattern, it may not work, because you see here the consolidation started from this area. You see here is pencil line pattern and didn't work. Here this candle is dark cloud cover with this candle, didn't work. This is pencil line pattern, didn't work. So that's why I place my trade call option at this level. I will place call option at this level. So you see today my all trades are I win all with weak candles. You see the first trade, weak candle. The second trade, weak candle. The third trade, weak candle. All my trades today, I won with weak candle. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.